Miario ya President William Ruto nigiukiriirwo ni gikundi kia Elimu Bora ya muthi wa mwambiririo ari thingira-ini wa iregi wa thagana ya kuuga mutaratara mweru wa ugai wa kigina kia university uria thirikari yake yathugundire ni mwagiriru na niwahitukirio ni igoti ria gucookia ciira riko.
We have a new funding model. It was taken to court. The court has now cleared to say it is the right model because it treats children according to the ability of their parents.
Gikundi giki kiugite President ataurite ndumiriri ya igoti uria tafatie kuona igoti tigukindira ria kindirire mutaratara uyu riu makiuga nimegucooka igoti-ini.
We condemn in the strongest terms the President's misleading statements claiming victory for the state's push to implement this harmful funding model, which directly contradict the court's actual ruling. Such pronouncements from the highest office not only misrepresent facts, but dangerously encroach upon judicial independence at a critical moment for Kenya's education system. The President must respect the separation of powers and refrain from interfering with ongoing judicial processes that will determine the future of higher education access.
We are going back to court and going by the court's directive, we should be over and done with this matter in the next quarter. So that's 2 to 3 months. So we're looking at July and October. We wouldn't be going back to court if this matter had been concluded.
Maugite igoti ria gucookia ciira riko ritiateanirie itua ria mucirithania wa igoti-ini Chacha Mwita riria arekereirio mwaka muhituku ati mutaratara mweru wa ugai wa kigina kia university ni mugaru na watho indi riathire thirikari ihinda-ini ria thiku 14 ikorwo igitaririo ria arutwo aria mari na mateta megii kigina giki mari rũmbũyagio gatagati ka mangi.
The government was ordered to create and publicize an appeals mechanism for aggrieved students within 14 days. The conditions mandate full transparency about the contingent nature of current funding arrangements. The order specifically requires the Higher Education Loan Board and trustees of the Education Fund to inform those who apply and receive funding that the funding is under court challenge and the funding model may change in future depending on the outcome of the appeal. The intended appellants were granted 14 days to file these appeals.
Gikundi giki ni kihinyiriirie murugamo wao wati mutaratara uyu nduri na uigananu na ni uratunyukithia arutwo aingi mweke wa guthoma ona thengia wao gukorwo makinyitie grade ya kuingira university. Riu makiuria muingi kunyitana na gutetera mathomo ma university niguo arutwo matigatunyukithio kihoto kiao.
We call upon all progressive voices in Kenya's education sector, that is students, parents, teachers, academics, civil society organization and concerned citizen to join in this crucial struggle for education justice. The future of Kenya's next generation depends on our collective ability to resist policies that condemnify education and resist opportunity based on economic status.
Girifotera Kameme TV ni ejitagwo wagoi wa Mwiruri.